It's the start of a new job. We're going to be doing a concrete patio. We're doing some new curbing and we're also doing the front. We're going to be removing the driveway and replacing it, new steps. It's gonna be a good one. Let's go. So as you guys can see, we're demoing this right now. It's all gonna be new concrete right here, up to right here. We're going to be replacing the sidewalk as well. So it's gonna be a good one. With the rodeo being in town in a couple weeks, we're wearing our cowboy hats all June long. Let's go tell the boys to give me their best yeehaw. Juan, give me your best yeehaw. Como ya está el rodeo aquí, en unas 2 semanas va a llegar. ¿Puedes darme un yeehaw? Give me your best yeehaw, please.
Yeehaw!
Brian, the rodeo's in town. Can you give me your best yeehaw?
Yeehaw!
Check it. Va a llegar el rodeo en 2 semanas.
Sí.
Dame tu mejor yeehaw.
Yeehaw!
Manuel, el rodeo va a llegar en 2 semanas. Dame tu mejor yeehaw.
Yeehaw!
Chapo, el rodeo va a llegar en 2 semanas. Dame tu mejor yeehaw.
Yeehaw!
Espera, el rodeo va a llegar en 2 semanas. Dame tu mejor yeehaw.
Yeehaw!
Emmy, the rodeo's coming in a couple weeks. Give me your best yeehaw.
Yeehaw!
It's our third day here. We got everything based and ready to go. Concrete is scheduled for next week. Only thing we need to do is just put a 2x4 right here along this side. But other than that, we're ready. Now let's go check out the front. In the front, we're doing a retaining wall, we're doing new steps, we're doing the driveway. It is going to look beautiful. Juan, tenemos un gran problema. ¿Qué es lo que has estado haciendo todo el día? ¿Qué es lo que estás haciendo todo el día? ¿Puedes hablar un poquito más de eso?
Sacando lo que está aguado para rellenarlo de concreto.
¿Y por qué de concreto?
Para que macice
¿Abajo?
Ajá.
¿Y no con pie?
Ajá, para que ya no con pie.
So right here we're doing this walkway, we're doing another walkway over there, and now the boys are forming for the retaining wall that we're going to be doing. It's looking good. Lalo, ¿qué es lo que está haciendo?
Vamos a meter esta.
Con la otra cámara.
Cheque, saluda. When doing these driveway removals and replacements, make sure you're bidding correctly and planning for it to pump, especially here in the northern Nevada area. Simply because we have crappy soil, it is always clay, and wherever there's a lawn, you're gonna get this. This tends to happen because of the water from the lawn. It just saturates and it has nowhere to go. So when we expose it, it's jello. You just step on it and ugh. So what you gotta do in this situation, you gotta remove the soil, bring in some 4-inch crushed rock. That way, when you backfill with base, it interlocks and it has nowhere to go. So that's our solution. It works very well. That's just a tip for my fellow contractors. ¿Por qué andas dejando que te levanten y que te nalguen?
¿Cómo que me levanten? Ah, que su puta madre se pasaron de lanza los putos.
¿Y qué te hicieron, Cheque? ¿Te violaron?
No, hombre, me metieron para arriba los putos.
So we're pulling up to the job site. We got everything formed. Right now, we're just doing the final touch up and we're ready for concrete tomorrow at 2 p.m. Ready. All right, guys, quick little job update. We poured this concrete wall 2 days ago. It looks absolutely beautiful. We did a stamp, a natural rustic look. I don't know the name of the stamp, if I'm being honest, but it looks freaking amazing, glossy. I love it. So as you can see, the boys are pouring concrete right now. We're pouring the driveway, the little step. Part of it is going to be stamped and it's gonna look good. So, bueno, bueno. So right now we're pulling up to this job site and we poured concrete yesterday. We stamped a little bit of it and now it's curing up pretty good. Look at how beautiful that looks. Just look at it. Looks so good. All right guys, so what we're doing here, we're washing the concrete. That way we can put Easy Teak on the concrete where we stamped it and it's gonna look great. So we're just washing it right now and then we'll show you guys how we put the Easy Teak on it. So what is it that you're doing?
Mixing the colors with the stamp. We're gonna stain it and then seal it after.
You think we should bring the mill with a buggy?
You wanna look at it? You wanna make it darker?
So right now we're adding the color to the concrete before we seal. We do about 4 or 5 coats.
Yeah.
Then it should look like that right there. Well, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We have completed this job. We did the concrete driveway, we did the paver, and we did the stamped concrete retaining wall. Oh yeah, it looks so good. Check it out. Beautiful stamped concrete work. Looks good. Look at that. Oh yeah.